Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2022 Ford Puma hybrid protected for Halo Mini. So when you leave the vehicle, the system becomes active. If someone grabbed the key off you and went to start the car and drive it away as you pulled up at home, they're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, the car's just not starting. We've got the key here, nothing's happening. So what the customer's got to do, turn the ignition on, go through a code. For now we have up, up, down, down, receive a flash from the hazards, foot on the clutch and start. Vehicle starts running and they can drive away. Sitting in the vehicle for a while doing paperwork or whatever, you don't need to do the code. It's only when you exit the vehicle the system becomes active again. So if we try again, now the door's been open, we've exited the vehicle, come back to it, the car's not going to start without that code. If you want to change the code, what you do, turn the ignition on, first prove it's you, receive your flash after putting your code in. Now put your foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 flashes, it's ready for a code, so we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. Our code's now learnt. So now, next time we get in the vehicle, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, foot on the clutch and start. If you're taking this for a service, how you put it into service mode, which makes it a normal car when it goes back to Ford, is turn the ignition on when you get into the vehicle, pop your code in and hold on the last button. As you see, we get 1 flash to confirm our code. We'll keep the button held till we get 5 flashes. Then service mode is active, so you can just hand forward the key. It's going to start up like a normal car. So now we've got our 5 flashes, let go of the button, turn the car off. It doesn't activate when we leave. When Ford have it in their workshop, they just start the car like normal. It fires into life. They can service it, road test it, find any issues. If it's there for a month, it's not a problem. This system doesn't expire. The only way to turn it back on is to do the same process again. So when you get the car home, turn the ignition on, do your code and hold on the last button of your code. This time we'll keep it held till we get just 1 flash. There we go, we can let go of the button. Now when we exit the vehicle, 2 flashes, the system's on and the car's not going to start without the code. As you see, it's not firing up. We get our flash, foot on the clutch and start, and the vehicle's running. Our number's 028 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Halo Mini on a 2022 hybrid Ford Puma. Once again, our number's 028 212 7393. Thanks for watching.